Hey, it's Ray at Great American RV. Welcome back to another segment where we're going to show you one of our new campers. This is a great one. This is the new Arcadia. We've been waiting for this, and folks, they finally showed up. This is the 3660, and I'm here to give you a quick rundown on all the great features that we can show you in this new Keystone product. First thing I'm going to show you folks is the huge storage compartment here in the front. 4 tie downs. You can store your stuff, ratchet it down, it's not going to move on you. You got the plastic sides, so if you got something wet you can put it there and it's not going to get all over the rest of your stuff. Magnetic holders for the door, not going to come down on your head, no plastic clips to rip off, and metal locks. When you drop it, it's closed. Folks, we're inside the 3660, and as you can see, it's a wonderful interior. Great contrast between the whites, the light browns, a little bit darker browns. No carpet in the camper anywhere. That's right, ladies, no carpet. You got your recliners, they have heat, massage, USB charge. Not only that, quick charge right there in the center. Drop your phone, and you don't have to worry about plugging it in. Big couch folds out to a bed, can sleep 2 people comfortably. Fireplace for heat, stereo inside, outside speakers, does Bluetooth to your phone, TV, hidden storage underneath. You can put stuff back there, game system, whatever, and be able to plug into everything. Full-size pantry. Lots of room. You even have plug-ins in here with a little counter space. Great for putting a coffee maker in there so it's not all out in the way. Big double sink. Nice butcher block cover for the sink. Corian countertops. Of course, your flexible hose for your faucet. Double refrigerator, tons of storage. You can get a lot of food in there for your trips. Full-size microwave, and this one is convection. 3-burner stovetop, good size oven, plenty of storage. Do have a nice little bar right here in the front that folds up. Has plugs, USB chargers, place for the kids to eat. Also, they can sit there with their game systems or whatnot. Chairs, not a booth. That's right, you can sit in peace and be able to feel comfortable when you're at the table. The Roman blinds give it a nice effect. It's not the pull down plastic stuff. It's a lot nicer, folks. The aesthetics are wonderful. Folks, a few other features. Number 1, this has 2 air conditioners. Both of them are ducted throughout. They do operate on 2 independent thermostats. They have the new blade system from Keystone. So you don't just have the little old vents that you had the little blades on that could close or open, didn't always work right. These actually go straight up into the ductwork, have a better return on keeping more cool air coming into the coach than escaping. Nice little nook over here, plenty of plug outlets, storage above and below. Let's take a look at the bathroom and the bedroom, shall we? Hey, we're in the bathroom. Pocket door, no more playing. Let's see if we can hit the person on the other side when we open the door. Porcelain toilet, large shower, 1 piece with a seat, nicely done, plenty of headroom, plenty of storage for linen, towels, whatnot, and vented fan out of the bathroom with air conditioning ducted into the bathroom. Folks, this is the bedroom of the 3660 Arcadia from Keystone. King size bed in the slide, plenty of room, storage, seat with even more storage underneath, storage under the bed, huge closet. The redesigned front nose allows you to put stackable washer and dryer. You don't have to put 1 in 1 if you don't want to. You can put them both on one side. There is no other camper that has this kind of room in the nose. It is awesome. Folks, come on in. Let's see what we can do and show you the campers that we have available. This is just the start. We've got a lot more. Thank you. Come see us and let us help you make memories one weekend at a time.